Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, render, it's a very long time I didn't do any update. So here it is. Let me take the full screen now. All right, so we had the wave one. We had, possibly, possibly, really, we did have a wave two. We are having this third wave now, I believe. And yeah, there are many ways to count this, okay? Could be that this is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're going to get for a bigger corrective movement. This is one way of reading chart. I'm not saying it's wrong, but I don't find it's a good one, I guess, or not a good one, but because I'm not saying someone is seeing something and then maybe it's true or maybe it's not, and maybe I'm looking here and I find this is a wave one, but maybe I'm totally wrong. And yeah, maybe this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but to me it doesn't sound right. So let me first of all clean up a little bit. So I do believe this is the wave 1, this is a wave 2, we're having a wave 3, not impulsive. So yeah, so this is what I'm looking for now. So within this third wave, I can say wave 1, a wave 2. As you can see, the wave 2 are very shallow. So wave 4, I was expecting a deeper one. And because we're not having an impulsive movement, it is a diagonal. So yeah, pretty much this is what happening, because we had the wave 1, a shallow wave 2, wave 3 here, and then as you can see, we did went pretty deep into this correction. Let me see here, a third wave to third wave, yeah. So this is fib retracement, and you can see that, yeah, we did went and almost touched the 0.618, which a diagonal is allowed to do. And now we are bouncing back. Also, yeah, I did start to put some trend line a long time ago, and then this was the first time when we broke it. Now, if I extend that here, you can see that yeah, we broke it. We kind of retested. We retest this 0.5 fib retracement, and now we're going. So if you ask me now, render, it's making its fifth wave of the third wave, and you can see that the green candle are there, right? Are piling up. Those are days. So this one full week, every day green day. What happens when there is always green day for more than 7-8 days? Well, we need to have some red day. So red day for me, it's order time, opportunity time. All right, so here we go. So now we do have this impulsive movement. Now you can see that I was expecting here already a pullback, but it's not happening. And so the only thing I can do now is adjusting my fib retracement. Let me shrink that a little bit and move that around. Okay. Let me see. If I go another 1 hour, honestly, sometimes, especially with renders, sometimes I do have trouble to really properly count some waves, because look at it. It doesn't give any chance really to where was the wave 2 here. If you ask me, maybe this is the 1, this is the 2, and all this is the 3, and within the 3, maybe this was the 1, 2, this was the 3, the 4, and the 5. And now let me put some numbers so at least you can follow me. So I believe this was the 1, maybe this was the 2. All this now I can count 5 waves, so this could be the third wave, and then we're going to have the fourth and then the fifth, and after that we're going to have a bigger pullback. So yeah, honestly, if I do that, let me see here. think it looks pretty much accurate like that. And I'm going to take the fib for the wave 4. I mean, I could be wrong, and I mean, this could be the 1, 2, and then all this is the 3, and there is, you know, the 4, it's hidden here maybe, and this was the 5th, and then this is the end of the 3, and this is the 4 and the 5, and now we're going to make a big corrective movement. I mean, there is no way to know, honestly. Sometimes it just like that. Once again, technical analysis, not perfect science, but we can have some levels, right? So if this is a 4th wave, let me just double check if I didn't do any mistake here. Okay, so that's good. So if this is all the 3rd wave and now we're doing the 4th wave, the price shouldn't go below $8.95. If it goes below, yeah, that's the tricky part, right? Because I know some friends say, yeah, but you know, sometimes it's so close from one to the other. I mean, if we say that this was a 1, 2, this is the 3, the 4, and the 5, what's the setting for the wave 2? Okay, so this is the setting for the wave 2, and then you can see that now we're kind of overlapping, and I could even add here the 0.618, and then we arrive at a moment where if this is the 3rd wave, it could go technically up to here, but this is just the beginning of where a bigger wave 2 would could, you know, turn around. But so what we need to take as a message for that is like, well, first of all, this is positive because any count I'm doing, this area, it's where price should reverse. So as soon as the price arrive to the MA50, it's kind of start to trigger as a buy opportunity, in my opinion. For sure, this is not financial advice. So yeah, this area here is start to be opportunity entry levels. We are having the MA50. If we go lower, even better, in my opinion, because I believe in the coin. And yeah, so at one certain point, it's like investment, it's not 100% accurate, and there is no such thing 100% secure investment. We're taking a bet, and then we use technical analysis to increase our percentage of successfulness. And yeah, so now which one do I believe? Honestly, I don't care. If it goes here, $9.38, I find I already got some. So because as you can see, I did have some orders here at $6.75. To me, if it reached the $8.65, I would get some more. Higher than that, because I already have some, I don't see the need. Definitely 6.18 at 8.19, 8.20. I'm going to scoop even more, maybe even start a leverage. All right, so this is pretty much my 2 cents about render. Now, if I go on the daily, let's see the RSIs. Honestly, yeah, you see the stock RSI usually when it's overbought, eventually, shortly after, it doesn't stay there forever, but it can stay there for a few weeks also. But when I do the technical analysis, I can see the price is getting up. That's on the daily, right? I go on it for hours. You can see RSI is being there for a while. And a stock RSI, you can see that it's still going again to be oversold. And let's see on the daily. So daily, you can see that, you know, the stock RSI is going lower. So can the price keep going up? It can, because when the stock RSI is going to get into the oversold, it's going to power up a little bit more, and it will have the potential of pushing the price higher. But the price action, you know, tells me that this it cannot keep going higher unlimited time, right? and I believe this starts to get exhausted. Also, if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that price is going up and the RSI is going down. So we have a bearish divergence here. So this is on the 1 hour. So this is like short term, right? And now I think here, yeah, maybe we do have a slight divergence here. A bearish divergence also on the 4 hours. So something's coming. Something's coming, and this latest candle also not great, but for sure now it's too early to say so. But I do believe we're going to see imminently price reversing and reaching a little bit lower levels, and pretty much at least getting to $9.40. Let's see if I was right in a couple of days. All right, so this is pretty much all for render for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.